Hey everyone, it's back with another video. Today, we're diving deep into the world of natural hair care. We all dream of having luscious, healthy locks, and while there are tons of products on the market promising miracles, sometimes the best solutions can be found right in our kitchens. Before we get into these DIY treatments, remember, understanding the basics of hair growth is key. Hair growth is a cycle, and factors like genetics, diet, and overall health play a huge role. Alright, let's jump right into our first natural remedy, a coconut oil and curry leaves mask. You might be thinking, curry leaves in my hair? Trust me on this one, guys. Curry leaves are packed with antioxidants, which are like superheroes for your hair follicles. They help fight off damage from free radicals, those pesky molecules that can wreak havoc on your hair and hinder growth. Plus, they smell amazing. Now let's talk about coconut oil. Coconut oil is like a best friend for your hair. It's a natural moisturizer which is fantastic for keeping your scalp hydrated and preventing dryness and dandruff. Dry scalp can lead to breakage and slower hair growth, so keeping things moisturized is key. But here's the real magic. Coconut oil has these amazing properties that allow it to penetrate the hair shaft, strengthening it from the inside out. To make this power-packed mask, you'll need just 2 ingredients, coconut oil and fresh curry leaves. Warm up about half a cup of coconut oil. You don't want it boiling hot, just nicely melted. Toss in a handful of fresh curry leaves and let them infuse the oil with their goodness for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once the oil is cooled down to a comfortable temperature, gently massage it into your scalp and work it through the length of your hair. Think of this as a relaxing spa treatment for your hair. Leave the mask on for at least an hour, or even better, overnight for maximum benefit. Then, just wash it out with your regular shampoo. You'll be amazed by how soft and strong your hair feels. Next up, we have a hair care superstar, aloe vera. You've probably heard of aloe vera for its skin-soothing properties, especially after a sunburn. But did you know it's also incredible for your hair? Aloe vera is loaded with enzymes that work wonders for promoting healthy hair growth. These enzymes help to cleanse your scalp, getting rid of any buildup that could be clogging your hair follicles and preventing growth. And if you struggle with an itchy, irritated scalp, aloe vera is a lifesaver. It has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can calm down any redness or irritation. A healthy scalp is a happy scalp, and a happy scalp means happy hair growth. For this treatment, you'll need pure aloe vera gel. You can buy this pre-made, but I always recommend going for fresh aloe vera if you can find it. Simply slice open an aloe vera leaf and scoop out the gel inside. Apply the gel directly to your scalp, massaging it in gently with your fingertips. Leave it on for about 45 minutes to an hour, allowing your scalp to soak up all those amazing nutrients. Then rinse it out with lukewarm water. You can do this treatment 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Now this next one might sound a bit strange, but trust me, it's a game-changer: onion juice. I know, the smell isn't exactly appealing, but the benefits for your hair are undeniable. Onion juice is like a magic potion for hair growth. It's rich in sulfur, a key component of keratin, which is the protein that makes up your hair. So by providing your hair with an extra boost of sulfur, you're essentially giving it the building blocks it needs to grow stronger and thicker. On top of that, onion juice has incredible antibacterial and antifungal properties. This means it can help keep your scalp clean and free from infections that can hinder hair growth. And if you're dealing with dandruff, onion juice can help with that too. To make this potent hair growth treatment, you'll need some fresh onion juice. You can either grate an onion and squeeze out the juice, or toss some chunks into a blender for a quick blitz. If you're worried about the smell, you can mix the onion juice with a tablespoon of honey, which not only helps mask the odor, but also adds extra moisture and shine to your hair. Apply the onion juice mixture to your scalp, massaging it in gently. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, then wash it out thoroughly with your regular shampoo. You might need to shampoo twice to get rid of the oniony scent completely, but trust me, the results are worth it. So there you have it. 3 incredibly effective natural remedies for hair growth that you can easily try at home. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results with any hair care routine. Don't expect miracles overnight. Give these treatments a few weeks and you'll start to notice a difference in your hair's thickness, shine, and overall health. And of course, if you have any allergies or scalp conditions, it's always a good idea to chat with your dermatologist before trying out new remedies. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future hair care advice. And be sure to hit the notification bell to be alerted when I post my next video, where I'll be sharing my top hair care tips and tricks for healthy, gorgeous hair. Thanks for watching. Harness the power of nature. Take the reins of your well-being. Welcome to Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda, your trusted companion in your health journey. We simplify the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda, providing practical guidance to help you attain your health aspirations. Remember, good health is not a destination but a journey made less arduous by the potent remedies nature has to offer. Each herb, each root, each leaf holds the promise of wellness, and we're here to guide you in unlocking these natural secrets. So, whether you're a seasoned Ayurveda enthusiast or a curious novice, Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda is your reliable resource. Subscribe and join our community of wellness seekers. Until we meet again, stay well, stay healthy, and remember, nature is your greatest ally. Let Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda be your guide on this journey of health and wellness.